Microsoft Edge browser saying can't reach this page. DNS address could not be found. Diagnosing the problem now. DNS probe finished. Bad config. It is the error code. Diagnose the issues. Launch the troubleshooter. Troubleshooter says your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device or resource primary DNS server is not responding. Open control panel. Go to network and internet. View network status and task. Change adapter settings. Click the Wi-Fi adapter. Right click and choose properties. Double click internet protocol 4. Check the DNS server address. Here wrong DNS server address is used. That's why error occurs. Change the DNS address. Use 8888 as the primary DNS server address. Alternate DNS server address is 8844. Now you can access the internet.